Alright, there we go. So, then, there we go. There we are. So, now let's finish up the bread. So, we're going to put this down, and then we have to divide it. Now, we're going to put a little bit of oil, I'm thinking, in these two things here. Okay, because when we divide it, we have to use these two. So once we get it done, they're going to go in here. You want to get a paper towel with some little bit of oil here. Because once we put it in there, then we have to let it rise for another 30 minutes. So, just a little bit of oil on that to get in to coat this down, because I don't know how these things are going to coat down, okay? Now, get that one baked. Well, take it back. I don't want to turn that on yet. So put some oil on those. Put a little bit in each one. Okay, here we go.
How much?
Just a very little. It's just enough to coat the insides, okay?
On the napkins?
You put a little oil here. First, so take this. Just turn it. Alright. Just put a little in there like that. And then the reason why I do that,
I got you.
is so it comes out easier. Because right now I've never used these before. Okay. So make sure you get this one done and get that one done.
You already got that one done.
Okay. I don't know, I've never done these like this with these before. So now alright, so as you can see, this became twice the size. Correct? So now we
Can I touch it?
get ready to beat it down again.
I want to do that.
Alright. It's done.
Can I do it?
Beat it down. Gotta beat it all the way back down.
It smells good.
Should.
What if it doesn't smell good? What if it just smells disgusting? Yeah, I'm just gonna work on the bowls.
Okay, so so you want to get this bean done. Now, did you notice the texture on this one? Did you feel it? What's it feel like?
Different.
It feels like it's more smooth, more stable, right? That is the yeast farts. Call them yeast farts. Alright, so now to get beat down, it's going to be a little bit trickier. Go. Trying to get it all down. Yeah. Alrighty. Come on now, buddy. Alright. Get your hands in there. Critical. Alright, now we have to form it now. Alright, so these ready? Mm-hmm. You sure? Alright. Hey, be careful. I don't need that much in there because like I said, it will burn if it's. That's fine. Okay then. That's all I needed to know. Now, I wish I had this part first then.
How long did we bake it?
Huh?
How long do we bake it?
Set that right there. Now, we need it down one more time. How long we bake it? 20 minutes when it's time. But we have to let it rise one more time.
Overnight?
Nope. 30 minutes. Come on now. Come on. Come on now. So you always use your front two knuckles whenever you're doing anything, or you use the palm. There we go. Now, all right. Where's that? What'd you do with the stuff? What was?
The what?
I need that.
Napkins?
Yes.
They're right here.
Alright, get that over here. Get a little oil on it. I need oil on the napkins, because I got to put oil on this thing. Never put them in these type of bowls. Easy. No, you're fine. I need a little. I'm not trying to. It's not soaking. I'm trying to. Now I'll show you what I'm doing. So, Grace, watch. Here we go. That's why we do one at a time. Okay, so this guy should, in theory, be ready. So, I'm gonna take him back there, then I gotta beat the other one down. Get another one. Get that ready for me again.
It's already on there.
Okay. Get into each other now. There we are. I'm gonna work it. Tenderize it. The problem is with this one here, it keeps coming back up. So that shows it's actually doing pretty good. Alright. Okay. Is that one ready to go? Okay, let's get it. Ready? A little bit more. Alright. Okay, let's hope that'll work. Alright, ready? Okay, put this in there. So, we're going to sit these back here for 30 minutes. Okay. Alright, so let's take a look at this one here. I don't think this did any good. I don't think this one did any good. See? I don't. I feel it. You feel it? Get that bread out here.
Anything at all.
Get the bread up here.
What
or
bread?
get that flour. Bread flour. Put it down. I'm going to beat it down again. We're going to see if we can do a little bit better. See if we can salvage it.
That's the second one we did.
Let's see if we can salvage it. I need to get the bread tins from downstairs.
It's in my hands. It's in my hands.
So, Grace.
What?
So, because like I said, if this is...
working on a project.
What? There we go. This is a project. There we are. Why does this guy not want to raise? Underneath here, I'm going to go ahead and get that black glass one out. Underneath here, in the very back, very bottom, if you go to your right hand side, there should be a glass bowl all the way in the very back. It might be on the top, might be on the second shelf. I forgot if it's on the first or second shelf. You see it? Go all the way in the back. You gotta look all the way to the back. Try the second shelf all the way back to the right. It's gonna be towards the middle, but there should be a glass bowl in there. Come on now. Ugh. Okay, well, I'll try it. We'll cut in half. Ah, this thing's just not. It doesn't like me. Right now, you have to kind of pull. Yeah, there, buddy. We're gonna do. You alright, Dad? We're gonna go ahead and put you in there. I might beat you down one more time. Alright, let's do this. Alright. Yep, that's what I thought. Middle's kind of shut. Do some good here. Go. What's gonna happen with this one? I'm gonna put it back there anyway though for 30-40 minutes. I don't do very much, but we'll see. Need one more pan. I got to clean up. That's the one I was looking for, Grace. I didn't know I put it in here though. Did not know I put it in here. So. There we go. First one. I don't think the yeast in there was really active. Okay. Alright, the oil. Yep. Got that. Alright. Now, yep. All around it. And we'll see if this does any rising. Okay. Okay. Now we'll see. Okay. Sheesh. Last one. This one was the first one we did, and it don't look like it did anything. Alright. Third one we did was the best, and I have a feeling it's because of the yeast. We're gonna. Okay, he can put it down a few more times. Okay. We're gonna do him again, and we're gonna see what happens. This is bread, so it's not dough. There we go. Do this.